Okay, listen, ma. Now this question, the given polynomial, I'll take it as p of x. Polynomial in variable x, I'll write the polynomial. X power 4, it is x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x cube and minus 26x square minus 26x square plus 54x minus 27. Okay, I'll write it here, minus 27. This is the given polynomial now. So this polynomial is given, and for this polynomial we have to find two more zeros. Okay, and two zeros are already given in the question. Okay, I'll write the two zeros, and two zeros of p of x are, okay, I'll write it like this. Two zeros of p of x, that is the given polynomial, are two zeros of the given polynomial are, I'll write x is in terms of x is equal to, okay, x is equal to 3 root 3. This is 1 0. 3 root 3 is 1 0 of the given polynomial. And another 0 is x is equal to minus 3 root 3. X is equal to minus 3 root 3. This is another 0. Please write up to this. Please, everyone, please write up to this. Completed, Anna?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, please write fast. Okay, write fast. Please write fast. Completed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen carefully. Listen. Now, in this question, what you have to do is, we have to first, with the help of the two given zeros, we have to find a quadratic, because two zeros are given. If 1 0 is given, means we can find one linear factor of the given polynomial p of x. Here two zeros are given, right? 1 0 is 3 root 3 and another 0 is minus 3 root 3. Since two zeros are given, with the help of these two zeros, we can form a quadratic factor of the given polynomial. So how to form a quadratic factor is very simple. First, we have to form two linear factors. Then after forming the two linear factors with the help of the zeros, we can multiply the two linear factors to get a quadratic factor of the given polynomial. So how I'm going to do is, see here, x is equal to 3 root 3 is 1 0, right? X is equal to 3 root 3 is 1 0. So if we can take this 3 root 3 to the left hand side, what I will get? Therefore, listen carefully. This is how you have to take. Therefore, x, this plus 3 root 3 when taken to the left hand side becomes minus 3 root 3. So x minus 3 root 3 and here minus 3 root 3 is that. When it is taken to the left hand side, it becomes plus 3 root 3. So x plus 3 root 3 becomes x plus 3 root 3. So these are the two linear factors. Okay, therefore x minus 3 root 3 and x plus 3 root 3 are the two linear factors of the given polynomial. They are called as linear factors because the degree of this polynomial is 1, because there is no power for x, which means there is 1. Therefore, it is called as linear polynomial. This linear polynomial, as well as x plus root 3, this is another linear polynomial. Both these linear polynomials are factors of the given polynomial. Therefore, I can write it as x minus 3 root 3 and x plus 3 root 3 are the two linear factors. Of the given polynomial p of x. Now, so if we multiply these two linear factors, we can find the quadratic factor of the given polynomial. To find the quadratic factor of the given polynomial, we have to multiply the two linear factors. Okay, have you all completed up to this step? Yes. Now next step. I'm going to write the next step. After this, what you have to do is to find the quadratic factor of given polynomial, or else I'll write like this. Okay, see here, hence, or therefore also we can use. Hence, the quadratic factor of p of x is, the quadratic factor of the given polynomial, that given polynomial is taken as p of x. So p of x is multiplying the two linear factors, that is x minus root 3 root 3. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, listen now. Okay, therefore, hence the quadratic factor of p of x is x minus 3 root 3 into x plus 3 root 3. X plus 3 root 3. So this is that. Okay, when you multiply the two linear factors, you can get the quadratic factor of the given polynomial. So I'm writing, I have written here x minus 3 root 3 into x plus 3 root 3. Sorry. X minus 3 root 3 into x plus 3 root 3. Now we have to multiply this two linear factors to get a quadratic factor. Okay, which implies what is x minus 3 root 3 into x plus 3 root 3? We have to multiply now. X minus 3 root 3 into x plus 3 root 3. That will give you the quadratic factor. So I'm going to multiply this, which is equal to, I will write it here, which is equal to, listen. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. You all know I'm going to use a green color for this rough work. Okay, this is of the form a minus b. We know that a minus b into a plus b. Can anyone tell me the formula of a minus b into a plus b?
A square minus b square.
Very good. A square minus b square. Very good. A square minus b square. Now using this identity, okay, since there is no space for me to write it in the rough column, so I'm writing here. So whatever I'm writing in green color, you have to write it at the rough side. Okay, that is the right side of right column. Okay, rough column. Now here using this identity, what we'll get is here in the place of a we have x, and in the place of b we have 3 root 3. Now we have to use this identity here. So a minus b into a plus b is a square. That is a here it is x. So x square minus b here it is 3 root 3. So minus 3 root 3 the whole square. So we have used a square minus b square formula here. Now x square we have to write as it is x square minus we have to bring this 3 square for 3 as well as root 3. So this becomes 3 square into root 3 square. Okay, because 3 root 3 means 3 into root 3. So this square is for 3 as well as root 3. We have to bring it down separately because the meaning of a into b the whole power m is, this is a formula, law of exponents. A into b the whole power m is a power m into b power m. Okay, this is what I'm applying here. Okay, I'm applying a into b the whole power m. That is equal to a power m into b power m. Okay, that is what I'm applying here. So here similarly 3 into root 3 the whole power 3 into root 3 the whole power 2 is 3 power 2 into root 3 power 2. So what we'll get is x square minus, so what is 3 square ma? What is 3 square? This 3 square becomes 9 into what is root 3 square? Square and square root gets cancelled. Square and square root gets cancelled, it becomes 3. So we got x square minus 9 into 3. What is the value of x square minus 9 into 3? That is x square minus 27. So this is the quadratic factor of the given polynomial. Okay, this is the quadratic factor of given polynomial. Please write up to this. Please complete up to this mark.
Completed, sir.
Completed. Okay. What about others? Anybody still writing this?
No.
Okay. Now listen. So after finding the quadratic factor of given polynomial, what we have to do is to find the remaining two zeros, we have to find the another quadratic polynomial, because we all know when you multiply two quadratic polynomial, we will get a biquadratic polynomial, which means two quadratic polynomials are multiplied, will get a polynomial with degree 4. Therefore, for the given question, in the question they have given one polynomial with degree 4. For that polynomial with degree 4, one of its factor is x square minus 27. One of the factor is x square minus 27. Now, when you divide the given polynomial by this x square minus 27, we can find the another quadratic factor for the given polynomial. So our aim is to find another quadratic factor. So how to find? So now dividing the given p of x by x square minus 27. That is what we have to do. So then only we can find the value of, then only we can find the another quadratic polynomial. So how to write? Now what we have to do is dividing. This step we have to do, dividing p of x, that is p of x is a polynomial with degree 4 by, now dividing p of x by one of its linear factor, quadratic factor, that is x square minus 27. Okay, we have to divide it by x square minus 27. So simple steps only we have to use, we are using here. With the help of two zeros, we found two linear factors, and we multiplied those two linear factors to find a quadratic factor. Now that quadratic factor, with the help of that quadratic factor, we are going to divide the given polynomial by the quadratic factor to find the another quadratic factor. Now how to divide? I have already taught you how to divide. The same steps I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to take a new page and do the division. Shall I proceed? Have you completed up to this step, ma?
Yes,
Dividing here?
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now I'm
sir.
going to divide. So we all know what is P of X. I'm going to write it here. So P of X, can anyone help me? Okay, read me. I will write it here. What is P of X?
X to the power 4
X to the power 4. Very good. Thank you. Next.
plus 2x cubed
Plus 2x cube.
minus 26x squared
Sorry. Negative.
minus 26
Minus.
20.
Sorry. 26. Sorry. Minus 26x square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Plus 54.
Plus
54x
54. Okay. Thank you. Next term.
minus 27.
Minus 27. This is the given polynomial. This is the given polynomial with degree 4. Okay, for this polynomial, we found one of its quadratic factor, that is x square minus 27. So we are going to divide the polynomial P of X by x square minus 27. So this is what we have to do now. So this division of a polynomial by another polynomial, we all know it is very, very simple thing. Okay, in 1 second I will explain. So whatever I'm going to do it now, okay, write it in using the green color, that is has to be written at the right side in the rough columns. That is, first one is we have to always divide the first term of the dividend. This is dividend mark, okay, which is inside. Okay, it is dividend, and this one is divisor. X square minus 27 is divisor. Now in the dividend, first term is x power 4. That first term has to be divided by the first term of the divisor. First term of the divisor is x square. Now when we x power 4 divided by x square means x square gets cancelled. In x power 4, 2 goes off, means remaining is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got x square again. This x square we have to write it at the quotient place. This x square we have to write it at the quotient place. Now each and every term of the divisor we have to multiply with the x square and write it over here. Now what is x square into x square? That is x power 4. The first term of x power divisor with the quotient x square, we get x power 4. So x square into x square is x power 4. Now minus 27 into x square is minus 27 x square. So we have to write just below the x square term. So minus 27 into x square is minus 27 x square. Now we have to put a line and we have to do subtraction. While subtracting this, there is no sign, there is plus, plus becomes minus, and here minus is there, minus becomes plus. While subtracting, sign gets changed, right? Now this x power 4 minus x power 4 gets cancelled. You have to bring down this 2x square, that is plus 2x cube, plus 2x cube. Now minus 26x square plus 27x square. So plus 27x square minus 26x square is plus 1x square. Simply we can write plus x square. Instead of writing 1, no need to put 1. We can simply write 1x square, means there is x square. So we got plus 2x cube plus x square. Now we can bring down these two terms also. There is no problem at all. We can bring down these two terms. There is plus 54x as well as minus 27. Now again, in this step, what is the first term? 2x cube. That first term, listen, this is the first term. This first term has to be divided by 2x cube, has to be divided by the first term. Again, the same first term of the divisor, that is x square. Now in x square gets cancelled. In x power 3, x square goes off, means x power 1 will be there. In 3, 2 goes off, means 1 is there. So x power 1 will be there. So 2x power 1, that is 2x. Simply we can write 2x. 2x power 1 is 2x. Simply we can write 2x. Now that 2x we have to write it at the quotient, plus 2x. Now again, each and every term of the divisor has to be multiplied with the new quotient, that is 2x. Now x square into 2x is 2x cube, because here x square means plus. So plus into plus is plus, and here x square into 2x is 2 into x square into x is x cube, 2x cube. Now minus 27 into 2x, listen carefully now, minus into plus is minus, I'll write it here, and 27 into 2 is 54, 54 into x is 54x, so it becomes minus 54x, minus 54x. Now I'm going to subtract. So while subtracting, this plus becomes minus, and this minus becomes plus. Now plus 2x cube minus 2x cube gets cancelled. This x square, we have to plus x square comes down. Now here plus 54x plus 54x. What is the answer? Plus 108x. Okay, 54x plus 54x is 108x. Now there is one more term is remaining. We can bring down. That is minus 27. We can write it over here. Minus 27. Okay, please write up to this step now. Then I will continue. All of you write up to this step. Is there any mistake in the question? Please check, ma. I think there is a mistake in the question. I think so. Please check. I think this 54x has to be gets cancelled, and here we should get no 0x. Please check whether we have made any mistake with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma.
The dividend, sir.
Sorry,
Minus 2x cube, sir.
which one is minus 2x cube?
The dividend.
Oh, x power 4 minus 2x cube or plus 2x cube?
Minus 2x cube.
This one is minus 2x cube, the second term of the dividend.
Yes, sir.
So the question itself, we made a mistake while writing the question, right? Sorry, ma. Okay, we can change now. That is why I think so. Okay, if this question means the answer will not come. Listen, I'm going to erase. See here. So this sign, okay, see here, I'm going to point over here. X power 4, the dividend is x power 4 plus 2x cube. It is actually not plus 2x cube. There is a mistake in the question. The question is minus 2x cube. Please change now. This is minus 2x cube. Now here it is minus. See here, so there is a lot of confusion here. 1 minute, I will change the sign. So what will happen is, this is not.
Sir,
Yes,
erase all.
not able to hear you now.
Erase all, sir.
Please mute.
Sir, erase all, sir. Erase and start from first.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I will do it. Listen now. So see here, this is minus 2x cube. So therefore here also minus 2x cube will come. Now in the rough column, we have to divide this minus 2x cube by the first term, that is x square. So minus 2x cube minus divided by x square is, that is, and the answer is minus 2x. So in the quotient it becomes minus 2x. This minus 2x. Now x square into minus 2x is, this is also minus 2x cube. Now minus 27 into minus 2x is, that is plus 24x. This is plus 54x. Sorry, plus 54x. Okay, it is plus 54x. Okay, now listen carefully, ma. Now we have to subtract, means this minus becomes plus now. This minus becomes plus. Again, this plus becomes minus. Now see here, minus 2x cube plus 2x cube gets cancelled. And plus 54x minus 54x gets cancelled. Okay. Now this plus x square comes down and this minus 27 also comes down.
Sir,
Yes.
hello, sir. They cannot understand. You cannot understand, sir.
I'm not able to hear you. Please type it in the chat box.
Again from the beginning. From first, sir, erase all and
1 minute, 1 minute. Please wait, please wait, please wait.
Sir.
Now listen carefully, ma. In this step, the x square is the first term. I'll do it here. There is no space over there. So this x square has to be divided by, okay, sorry. X square has to be divided by the first term of the divisor, that is also x square. So x square by x square is 1. X square gets cancelled, that is 1. So that 1 we have to write it at the quotient, that is plus 1. Now we have to multiply this x square. Okay, the first term of the divisor with plus 1. So x square into 1 is x square. And likewise, minus 27 into plus 1 is minus 27. Minus 27 into plus 1 is minus 27. Now we have to subtract. Okay. So while subtracting, we have to change the sign. This is plus, so plus becomes minus, and here it is minus, minus becomes plus. Now x square minus x square gets cancelled. Minus 27 plus 27 gets cancelled. The final remainder is 0. The final remainder is 0. Now the quotient is the another linear factor. Hence the another linear factor of p of x is x square minus 2x plus 1. Please write now. Hence the quotient of the another polynomial is, another quadratic factor of the given polynomial is x square minus 2x plus 1, which is the, okay, the quotient is the another quadratic factor. We have